Here's how I went from zero digital skills to managing six-figure campaigns. In just 6 months, let me show you exactly how I did it. I was a 47-year-old sales manager who could barely send an email. Tech terrified me. But here's what changed everything. I discovered that digital marketing isn't about being tech-savvy. It's about understanding people. While everyone was chasing the latest tools and trends, I focused on what I already knew: human psychology and sales principles. The results? Mind-blowing. In my first month, I managed a $1,000 campaign. By month 3, a $25,000, and month 6, $100,000 plus monthly ad spend. But here's the craziest part. The younger marketers with more experience were getting worse results. Why? Because they focused on flashy tactics, while I applied 20 years of sales psychology to digital ads. Now, I help other professionals over 40 do the same. The truth is, your age isn't your weakness, it's your superpower. Think about it. Would you rather trust your marketing to someone who understands human nature or someone who just knows how to push buttons? The digital world doesn't need more tech experts. It needs people who understand what makes humans click. The question is, are you ready to turn your experience to your advantage? If you're ready to finally master digital marketing without the tech overwhelm, click the link below and let's get started.